We are 41 service design students from MA Service Design at London College of Communication and the Service Futures Lab team. And we've been working with GDS for the last 8 weeks. And together we've been going through this journey of anticipatory innovation through critical service design.
Exhibition at the very end.
The project was initiated to facilitate design-led civic engagement, and making was key to unlocking this method of inquiry with local residents and GDS.
We were trying to find signals that we were interested in, and we amplified. So for example, would it be interested for the UK, for people to be more engaged with the community, and what are the trends or signals that could lead us into that?
Within the next 20 years, there might be a transition in the healthcare system, and the healthcare system can become more proactive and more preventive rather than being reactive.
It's so lovely. This is so kind.
To remind people of the potential.
Like a cigarette?
Yes.
What possible future contexts gov.uk might exist in? What's the broader trajectory? So that's where I sort of met Laura and got talking about the possibility of us collaborating together on this project.
The most interesting things was making our prototype, then test them with citizens.
I'm blown away. They were absolutely fantastic, and ideas I never would have come up with.
Great design, logo.
I have a small one and bigger one.
We have the bigger one.
I kind of want to live in this world a bit, the world where these projects are live. Wow, an ageing population, young families, the environment, people like lonely and mental health challenges or whatever. I didn't expect it to be quite so real and future-proofed.
One of the things I tend to find students are really great at doing is to create the kind of concepts that can really push things forward and get us to think about the what-ifs.
Making design future is not make prediction, but to map up the possibility of the future.
It's going to amplify the work we're already doing in gov.uk, where we're setting up speculative design teams. We're starting to look at the future more broadly and use those techniques that the students have been using as well.
I'm really glad that we got to imagine these different futures and to have this kind of thinking brought in literally into our offices to really shake us up and force us to think about things under a different light.
I hope they take away the fact that their ideas are incredibly valid, they stretch our imagination, and that we need thinking like that in the future.